Hi, if your LOKLiK isn't cutting, then this video might help you. I noticed there's not a lot of information on LOKLiK yet, so I hope this video helps you.
So my LOKLiK is great and all, but it was only cutting on certain parts of the calibration sheet while skipping others entirely, or just cutting way too shallow to do anything. But it was all actually because of these little prong things. On the LOKLiK, you actually have to flip them and lock them outward. Out here, we're used to seeing them flipped inward on machines like this, but on this one, they go outward. They feel like they are locking in both positions, so that confused me. So yeah, hopefully your problem is as easy to fix as locking these guys outward.
Like and subscribe if you like crafts, and I may be making more LOKLiK videos in the future.